Don't be upset. I'll be pretty by the end of this video. I'm experimenting. All right, so my eyes feel much better, but I'm going to play it safe for the next couple of videos. So today I'm going to start with my eyes. I don't think I have a hyperallergenic eyeliner. Let me see if I do. I used to have a, I do not. But I may get one. Okay, I don't. So I'm going to begin with the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation Plus Concealer. And I'm going to use that as my eyeshadow base. Wish me luck. Or wish me the worst, whichever team you're on. I'm going to use a Delium concealer brush. To smooth that in. Actually, what would be easier is my beauty blender, right? Alright, I'm going to use my beauty blender. My beauty blender shouldn't have anything in it that's irritating. I hope. Alright. While that sets, I'm going to put some Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel on. So my nails today are, I think it's China Glaze white on white with a Salon Perfect topper. And I will put both of those right here. And my top coat is not Seche Vite, it is wow. It's the Essie top coat. Alright, today I'm going to use Even Better Refresh foundation from Clinique in the color CN52, I believe. And I'm going to apply that with my beauty blender. That color blends, is perfect. Whoever matched me did a good job with this. Let's have some more. This is a Tame foundation. Unlike the, what was it that I used? Oh yeah, the Makeup Forever 24-hour foundation and the NARS Soft Matte. Those mean business. This one is a Tame foundation. Looks like skin. You can see your skin through it. I think it's supposed to be good for your skin. Allergy tested. All those good things. So, I'm playing it safe. My eyelids are dry from the damp beauty blender. And I'm going to put the color, let's see what color this is. Sunset Glow. I'm going to put that on my lids. I'm just going to put it all the way up. There we go. That's what I'm going to do. Put it all the way up. I wish I had a hyperallergenic eyeliner. Then I'm going to take the Clinique High Impact Mascara and hope for some high impact. Since I don't have any liner, I'm going to tight line with my mascara. I'm going to touch my waterline. Waterline. I keep catching myself saying water, like it's got a D in it. It's looking better already. I have on this t-shirt. It's from RetroBrand, maybe? I'll put the name of it right here. I'll see if I can find a link. I think it's made by a subsidiary of Free People. You would think I would have a Clinique eyeliner, but I do not. I may next time I see you though, if this works out well. I may be a Clinique girl until whatever is ailing me passes. There. I look like an old person. All right, let's do bronzer. I have a Clinique bronzer, believe it or not. It is called Sunkissed True Bronzer Pressed Powder Bronzer. I'm going to take the usual brush that I use for bronzer and put this in the bronzing areas. These Velcro rollers are in the way. And I'm going to use this as my crease color since it's a Clinique product. Hopefully I'll be safe. All right. Now I'm going to take this blush palette. It does not exist anymore. And I'm going to take a dual fiber. It is the Luxie Duo Fiber Powder. The number is 516. I'm going to take all of the blushes. And do like that. Cross my nose. I have another shadow, and this one is called Bubble Bath. Where am I going to put this one? I'll put this one in the center. And on the Cupid's bow. Very nice. Let's do another round of mascara. And speaking of mascara, while I was curling my hair, I found something that I'd been whining about, that I whined about forever and ever, and then Barbara fixed it for me. And then it's like when you're trying to get pregnant. If you adopt a baby, you'll get pregnant. Well, I couldn't find my lash comb, so Barbara sent me one. So my lash comb showed up. I mean, it's seen better days. It's missing some teeth and such. but it was in the bottom of my Velcro roller bag. It must have fallen in there when I was maybe cleaning up quickly one day. Maybe I was scooping rollers into the bag and I brushed this off in there too. Right. I do not have a Clinique lip liner, but I have this lip product. And what is it called? I have 2 magnifying glasses. I don't know why I don't have one in here. Sometimes I hold this stuff up to the magnifying mirror. Pink honey. It says pink honey. So I'm going to save that. And then I have this one. These must be gifts with a purchase. This one's called Bear Pop. I don't have eyebrows on yet. Okay, there's Bear Pop. Let's put pink honey on in the center. Very nice. We need eyebrows. Today we're going to put Embark on as our brow thing. If I can find my brow brush. Or, okay, there it is. It's the E06 from Sigma. So I'm extending my brows in the front because they're too far apart. Fix this gap right here underneath. And extend the length a little bit out instead of down. Wow, that's nice. I must have stuck my hand in the shadows. There. Now let's put on our brow gel. I like the eyes. Do you like the eyes? So most everything I'm putting on my face is Clinique. Didn't have a brow product to put on from Clinique. Or an eyeliner from Clinique. Alright, I always have to put more brow powder on after I do the gel because it exposes holes. Oh, under eye concealer. We're going to use the Beyond Perfecting as our under eye concealer too. And it sets up pretty dry. It doesn't stay dewy like some of the stuff that I put underneath my eyes. So there's the look. I cannot get a full look with the mascara. They do make a primer. And since I'm into primers, I'll probably end up getting it. Alright, let's take the hair down and see what we have. Let's see what we get when we take the hair down. See, this is what I keep this is an old pocketbook back when I used to think I was a preppy person. I wonder if there's anything in this outside pocket. There's bobby pins. So I clip mine in with these little duckbill. And I keep my duckbill clips in this. And this goes in my hair kit. I probably got my Velcro rollers from Sally's Beauty Supply. I had a short period of my life where I worked at Sally's. Can you believe it? I know. I probably bought these then, which was over 20 years ago. Today, I only use this as my hair product. It's Paul Mitchell Invisible Wear Volume Whip. And I used my Olivia Garden round brush and my Dyson blow, hairs, I can't stand the hairs. My Dyson blow dryer. After I got my hair on the rollers, I think I sprayed them all the rollers with that. The Living Proof Flex Hairspray. I have not sat out in the sun yet today. It's chilly, but I'm going to go do it anyway, so I sleep good tonight. Okay, one more. See, all my rollers fit in there, and it zips shut so they don't fall out. And this is what it looks like before I style it. I have to turn this way so I can look in the mirror and see what I got going on. And there you go. You want to see the back? I hope you enjoyed this get ready with me to go nowhere. Oh, get ready with me to go sit in the sun and read a book. Look. Y'all have a great evening, and I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow night.